So I have here the Sony A6600 mirrorless camera, and it's a very nice camera. One problem I have with the grip though is the edge here is very angled, fairly sharp, and especially with a heavier lens it can be a little bit uncomfortable to hold. So I've designed a little 3D print here, a little attachment that goes on underneath, and then I either 3D printed a little thing here to secure it on. This one is one that I bought online. It's metal. It has a little tripod threads on it so that we can still attach this to a tripod while we have our grip extension attached. And I used a Dremel cut a little hole in there too so I can tighten it down with a coin. And that rounds out the edge there so it's a little bit more comfortable in the hand. It has a print-in-place hinge, so we can open that up and still access our battery and memory card. On the inside there I got a little magnet, and a little magnet also on the other side of the grip, and that helps keep it closed. And I think that really increases the ergonomics on the A6600.